Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's truly a privilege to share this time with you. Today, we are going to explore something incredibly powerful, the power of positive thinking. This isn't just another seminar or a feel-good session. We're diving into practical, actionable strategies that can transform your life. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring the negative. It's about understanding that we have the power to choose our thoughts. We can focus on the positive, look for solutions, and take control of our mindset. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. It's as simple as that. How do you react to challenges? Do you see them as insurmountable problems or as opportunities to grow? This is a crucial question because your answer can tell you a lot about your current mindset. And the good news is you can change your mindset. If you start seeing challenges as opportunities, you'll begin to unlock your true potential. I remember when I was just starting out, I faced a lot of challenges. One of my biggest was financial. I had more month left at the end of my money, and I was struggling to make ends meet. But then I started changing my thinking. I started seeing opportunities where I used to see obstacles. I started believing in myself and in the possibility of a better future. And that made all the difference. What could you achieve if you approached each day with a positive attitude? The possibilities are endless. You have the power within you to create the life you want. It all starts with your thoughts. Positive thinking can be the key to unlocking a whole new level of success and happiness in your life. Positive thinking is the deliberate act of focusing on the good in any situation. It's about choosing to see the glass half full instead of half empty. Now, this doesn't mean ignoring the negative. It means acknowledging it, but choosing not to dwell on it. It's about looking for solutions rather than fixating on problems. Consider this: up and two people can face the same challenge, but their outcomes can be drastically different based on their mindset. One might see the challenge as a dead end and give up. The other might see it as a stepping stone and keep pushing forward. Which one do you think will achieve more? Think about a time in your life when you faced a significant challenge. How did you react? Did you let it discourage you, or did you use it as motivation to keep going? Our reactions to challenges are a direct reflection of our mindset. If you have a positive mindset, you'll find a way to overcome any obstacle. So why do some people achieve more than others? The answer lies in their mindset and attitude. People who achieve more have trained their minds to focus on the positive. They believe in their abilities and are willing to take risks. They understand that failure is just a part of the process, not the end of the road. But positive thinking isn't just about professional success. It affects every area of your life. When you maintain a positive attitude, your relationships improve because people are naturally drawn to positive energy. Your health improves because you're less stressed and more motivated to take care of yourself. Your overall happiness increases because you're focusing on what's good in your life. Let's pause for a moment. I want you to think about your current mindset. Are you generally positive, or do you find yourself focusing on the negative? If you tend to be negative, don't worry. This is something you can change. Start by paying attention to your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, stop and reframe the thought into something positive. It takes practice, but over time, you'll notice a significant shift in your mindset. One practical tip that helped me was to start each day with positive affirmations. Every morning, I would say to myself, today is going to be a great day. I am capable, and I am ready to take on any challenge. These simple statements set the tone for my day and help me stay focused on the positive. Another technique is visualization. Close your eyes and visualize your goals as if they've already been achieved. See yourself living the life you want, achieving the success you desire. This powerful exercise trains your mind to focus on positive outcomes and motivates you to take the necessary steps to make those visions a reality. Positive thinking has a remarkable impact on every aspect of our lives. It's like a ripple effect, starting from within and spreading outward. When you think positively, you change your internal environment, and that in turn influences everything else. Let's start with how it enhances your health and well-being. Your thoughts are powerful. They shape our feelings and behaviors. When you maintain a positive mindset, you're less likely to succumb to stress and anxiety. Stress is one of the biggest health threats today, but positive thinking helps you manage it better. It reduces the harmful effects of stress on your body. When you're not constantly worrying, your body can function more efficiently. Your immune system gets a boost. You sleep better, and you have more energy. How do you react to stress? How do you handle tough situations? Do you let them bring you down, or do you stay positive and look for ways to overcome them? Your answer can tell you a lot about the state of your health. When you think positively, you handle stress better, and that leads to a healthier, more vibrant life. Positive thinking also has a profound effect on your relationships. People are naturally drawn to positivity. When you're positive, you're more pleasant to be around. You smile more, you're more approachable, and you handle conflicts with grace. This makes your relationship stronger and more fulfilling. Think about your interactions with others. Are you bringing positive energy into your relationships, or are you letting negativity creep in? It's a choice you make every day. When you choose to stay positive, your relationships will flourish. You'll find that people are more willing to help you, support you, and be there for you. Now let's talk about some practical steps to harness the benefits of positive thinking. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. When you have a clear direction, it's easier to stay positive and motivated. Break your goals down into small, manageable steps and celebrate each milestone along the way. This keeps your momentum going and reinforces your positive mindset. Another practical tip is to surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Read books, listen to motivational talks, and engage in activities that boost your positivity. Remember, positivity is contagious. When you're surrounded by it, it becomes easier to maintain a positive mindset. In addition, practice gratitude. Whatever is a doing, take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This simple practice can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. It helps you see the good, even in challenging times, and reinforces your positive thinking. Negativity can come from many places. It might be the news, which often focuses on the worst events of the day. It could be social media, where people tend to share their frustrations and complaints. It might even be the people around us, friends, family, or coworkers who are always seeing the glass half empty. Or it might come from within, from our own self-doubt and fears. Think about your own life. Where's the negativity coming from? Is it the media? Is it certain people? Is it your own thoughts? Identifying these sources is the first step to overcoming it. Once you've identified the sources of negativity, the next step is to address them. If the negativity is coming from the media, limit your exposure. You don't have to stop watching the news or using social media altogether, but you can choose to consume less and focus on positive content. If negativity is coming from people around you, this can be more challenging. You might not be able to cut ties completely, especially if it's family or coworkers, but you can set boundaries. Spend less time with negative people and more time with those who support and encourage you. And when you do have to interact with negative people, try to steer the conversation towards more positive topics. Now, what if the negativity is coming from within? This is something we all struggle with at times. We all have that inner critic that tells us we're not good enough, that we can't do it, that we'll fail. But just because we have these thoughts doesn't mean we have to listen to them. One of the best strategies for shifting from negative to positive thinking is to practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, stop and reframe the thought. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, this is a challenge, but I can handle it. Instead of thinking, I'll never be good enough, think, I'm improving every day. It's about changing the narrative in your mind. When you change your thoughts, you change your feelings and actions. This takes practice, but it's incredibly powerful. Let me share a real-life example of transformation. I once knew a young man named Tom who was deeply negative. He was always complaining about his job, his lack of money, his bad luck. He felt stuck and believed that nothing would ever change for him. But then he decided to take control of his thoughts. He started practicing positive affirmations every morning. He wrote down his goals and visualized achieving them. He surrounded himself with positive influences and limited his exposure to negativity. Over time, Tom's mindset began to shift. he became more confident, more motivated, more proactive. He started taking steps towards his goals instead of just dreaming about them. And guess what? His life started to change. He got a promotion at work, improved his financial situation, and became much happier overall. It wasn't an overnight transformation, but it was a lasting one. Creating a positive environment is essential for nurturing a positive mindset and achieving your goals. The people and spaces around you significantly influence your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Let's delve into why a supportive environment is crucial and how you can cultivate one both at work and at home. Imagine a garden. For plants to thrive, they need the right conditions. Sunlight, water, good soil. Similarly, for us to thrive, we need a positive environment that supports our growth. This includes the people we spend time with, the physical spaces we inhabit, and the overall atmosphere of our daily lives. Let's start with the influence of the people around you. Who you spend your time with can have a profound impact on your mindset and your success. Have you ever noticed how spending time with certain people leaves you feeling energized and inspired while others leave you feeling drained and unmotivated? That's because attitudes are contagious. Positive people lift you up, encourage you, and help you see possibilities. Negative people, on the other hand, can drag you down, instill doubt, and limit your vision. Think about your close circle. Who are the 5 people you spend the most time with? Are they supportive, optimistic, and encouraging? Or are they critical, pessimistic, and discouraging? You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This means that the attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors of those around you inevitably influence your own. Creating a positive space at work is equally important. Work is where many of us spend a significant portion of our time, and the environment there can greatly affect our productivity and happiness. A positive work environment fosters creativity, collaboration, and efficiency. It's a place where you feel valued, respected, and motivated to do your best. How can you create a positive environment at work? Start by being a positive influence yourself. Be kind, supportive, and encouraging to your colleagues. Celebrate their successes and offer help when they need it. Small acts of positivity can create a ripple effect, improving the overall atmosphere of the workplace. Using your associations wisely is one of the most important decisions you can make. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you to grow, and believe in your potential. Seek out mentors, join groups with similar interests, and build a network of positive influences. These relationships will help you stay focused, motivated, and on track to achieving your goals. Remember that a positive environment is something you can create. It starts with being mindful of the influences around you and making conscious choices to surround yourself with positivity. When you cultivate a supportive environment, you set the stage for success in all areas of your life. To maintain a positive mindset, it's essential to incorporate practical techniques into your daily routine. These techniques will help you stay focused, motivated, and resilient, no matter what challenges come your way. Let's explore some effective strategies that you can start using today. Consider about daily affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce a positive mindset. They help you focus on your strengths and the positive aspects of your life. For example, you might say, I am capable of achieving my goals, or I am confident and strong. By repeating these affirmations daily, you start to believe them and they become a part of your reality. Visualization is another powerful tool. Close your eyes and picture your goals as if they have already been achieved. See yourself living the life you want, achieving your dreams, and feeling the joy and satisfaction that comes with it. Visualization helps you stay focused on your goals and motivates you to take the necessary actions to achieve them. Reading and continuous learning are also vital for maintaining a positive mindset. When you read books, listen to motivational talks, and engage in continuous learning, you expose yourself to new ideas, perspectives, and inspiration. This keeps your mind sharp and your attitude positive. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Invest in your personal growth by reading books that inspire and educate you. Attend seminars, Listen to podcasts and learn from others who have achieved what you aspire to achieve. The knowledge you gain will empower you to think positively and act confidently. Let me ask you some thought-provoking questions. What new habits are you willing to adopt? Are you ready to start using daily affirmations? Will you set clear goals and celebrate your milestones? Are you willing to commit to continuous learning? These habits may seem simple, but they have the power to transform your life. Start small, but be consistent. The key is to integrate these practices into your daily routine until they become second nature. Over time, you'll notice a significant shift in your mindset and your life. Incorporate reading into your daily schedule. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, make it a habit to read something positive and educational. It could be a book, an article, or listening to a motivational podcast. This continuous learning keeps you inspired and focused on your personal growth. Maintaining a positive mindset requires effort, but the rewards are immense when you commit to these simple, actionable techniques. You create a foundation for success and happiness. Remember, positive thinking isn't just a concept, it's a practice. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to significant transformations. By adopting these new habits, you'll not only enhance your own life, but also positively influence those around you. Your positivity will be contagious, creating a ripple effect that can inspire and uplift others. Take a moment to reflect on the new habits you're willing to adopt. Start integrating them into your daily routine and watch how your mindset and your life begin to change. With commitment and consistency, you can harness the power of positive thinking to achieve your goals and create the life you desire. Today, we talked about overcoming negative thinking by identifying the sources of negativity in our lives, whether it's the media, certain people, or our own self-doubt. We learned practical strategies to shift from negative to positive thinking, such as practicing self-awareness, using positive affirmations, and surrounding ourselves with uplifting influences. We also discussed the importance of creating a positive environment. The people we spend time with and the spaces we inhabit play a crucial role in shaping our thoughts and actions. By choosing our associations wisely and cultivating supportive, uplifting environments at work and at home, we set the stage for our success. Finally, we looked at practical techniques for maintaining a positive mindset. Daily affirmations, visualization, goal setting, and continuous learning are all powerful tools that can help us stay focused and motivated. By integrating these simple habits into our daily routines, we can reinforce our positive thinking and achieve our goals. Now, I want to reiterate the power and importance of positive thinking. It's not just a feel-good concept, it's a practical, actionable tool that can transform your life. When you change your thoughts, you change your reality. Positive thinking helps you overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and create the life you want. So, I have a personal challenge for you. Starting today, commit to practicing positive thinking. Use the techniques we've discussed. Start your day with affirmations. Visualize your goals. Set clear, achievable milestones and celebrate your progress. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep learning and growing. What new habits are you willing to adopt to maintain a positive mindset? Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that lead to significant transformations. You have the power within you to create a positive, successful life. It all starts with your mindset. As we conclude, I want to leave you with an inspiring thought. Imagine your life 1 year from now if you commit to positive thinking and take action every day. Picture the goals you will have achieved, the relationships you will have strengthened, and the growth you will have experienced. It's all possible. It starts with a single step.